Welcome back to Yoga Vibe. Today we're going to do something extra special. We're going to practice together the 5 Tibetans, the 5 rites of rejuvenation. We're going to do all 5 exercises, and then we're going to add the 6th exercise, the 6th Tibetan, as recommended in Christopher Kilham's book. We'll do that at the end. We're going to do each segment 21 times, and you just have to feel your own body, feel your own capabilities. If you're not yet ready for full 21 times, then take your time. Do 5 times, 10 times, 15 times, and gradually build yourself up until you're comfortably capable of repeating each exercise 21 times. And don't forget, you don't have to do more than 21 times. You reach full benefits at 21 times. Now, if you're not familiar with the 5 Tibetans, you can still practice along with this video, or you can take a look at a previous video I did showing how to do each exercise, the little details involved with each one, and talking about the benefits. It's a detailed video and you can find it in the links below. Ready to rejuvenate? Ready to build your happiness, your health, your mental focus? Then let's get right into it. Exercise number 1, the full spin. Take your time with this one. Make sure you're grounded, centered. Arms stretched outwards, palms facing down, and begin to spin to the right. 21 times. During this exercise, if at any time you become disoriented, slowly come to a stop and do your 2 deep breaths. As you're spinning, feel a central vortex, clearing emotional and mental debris, raising your consciousness, aligning your chakras, cleaning your energy field, making you feel light and wonderful. 18, 19, 20, 21, and come to a slow stop. Place your hands on your hips and take a moment to feel yourself centering, and then 2 deep yogi breaths. Exercise number 2, leg raises. Lying on your back, take a deep breath in and then exhale while you raise your legs and bring your chin to sternum. Inhale when you bring your legs back down. Repeating 21 times. Feel your entire abdominal section and core muscle groups being toned and exercised. Almost there. 19, 20, 21. Now take a moment to catch your breath. And then standing up, putting your hands on your hips, take 2 deep yogi breaths. Inhale deeply through the nose and exhale slowly through the nose or through the mouth with pursed lips. Exercise number 3, the Camel Pose. Starting in a kneeling position, place your hands on your lower back for support. Start with your chin on your sternum and slowly arch backwards, rolling your head backwards. Inhale as you go backwards, exhale as you come forwards. Try to keep your elbows as close together as possible. Feel your lungs being exercised. Feel your sacred heart center opening up and a wave of compassion, gratefulness, and bliss filling your aura. Almost there. 18, 19, 20, 21. And again, standing up, hands on hips, and 2 deep yogic breaths. Inhaling all the way in and exhaling slowly through the nose or through the pursed lips. Feel each inhalation energizing and each exhalation purifying. Exercise number 4, Dandasana to the crab pose, or it could be called the hip swing. Sitting in Dandasana with your chin on sternum, raise your hips and let your head hang backwards. Then return to the original posture. Inhale as you raise your hips. Exhale as you come back down. Feel strengthening of the lungs, circulatory system, pelvic region, upper thighs, and especially the shoulders. Feel any stress and tension or emotional blockages being cleared, and the body's communication system working at its best. Almost there. 18, 19, 20, 21. Again, standing up for 2 more deep yogi breaths. Take a moment to relax and let your breath come back to normal. And now inhaling as deeply as possible, letting your diaphragm go all the way down. And then exhaling slowly through the nose or through the mouth with pursed lips. Exercise number 5. Starting in up dog, looking upwards, move into down dog, tucking your chin to sternum, and back and forth. Strengthening your upper and lower back muscles, improving your circulatory system, immune system, and pranic energy flow. Also, strengthening your shoulders, arms, wrists, chest, strengthening your abdominal walls, massaging your organs, and toning your digestive system. The 5 Tibetans bring more oxygen to the brain, increasing synaptic response and neuroplasticity. Nice going, you're almost finished. 18, 19, 20, and 21. If you got to here, you have mastered the 5 Tibetans. Well done. Once again, standing up, relax for a couple of seconds, getting your breath back. And then when you're ready, once again, 2 full yogi breaths as deep as possible, and then exhaling slowly through the nose or slowly through the mouth with your lips pursed. And now lie down in Savasana so that our body, mind, spirit can best absorb and assimilate the benefits from the practice. Lie down comfortably on your back, with your legs apart, feet at about shoulder width or a little more, and your hands stretched out to the side, palms facing upwards. Pay attention to your breath and the rhythm of your breathing. Put your attention on the tip of your nose and start to follow your breath. Breathe a little deeper than normal and feel each inhalation fully energizing your body, and each exhalation bringing you into a deeper state of relaxation. Try to still the mind. Just be in a state of awareness. How does your body feel? Any thoughts that come, just regard them as clouds passing in the sky, and try not to energize them with any reactions. Be in Shavasana for a couple of minutes, staying in the moment, appreciating the stillness. Feel yourself healthy, happy, harmonious, rejuvenated, youthful. Visualize it and the body will follow. And as you get ready to come out of Shavasana, wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingertips, wiggle your nose. Take a deep breath. Slowly come back feeling fully rejuvenated. Exercise number 6 is a Kundalini breathing technique. Bend forward like this and blow all the air out of your system. Suck your navel to spine and then stand up, keeping your navel sucked to spine with all the air out. Hold for a few seconds and then inhale deeply. I'll take my shirt off just to make sure you can see how the body mechanism works in this Kundalini Pranayama. Bend forward. Exhale all the air out. Suck navel to spine. Stand up, keeping your navel sucked to spine, holding the air out, and then inhale deeply. Hold for a second, and then return to normal breathing. In the beginning, do this pranayama 1 to 3 times. Once you're very comfortable with it, you can increase the repetitions up to 6 times. This is a powerful yogic breathing technique. It will help to raise your energies, moving your energy upward through the nadi, through the energy channel, thus purifying the energy channels, opening your chakras, and raising your consciousness. Yoga Vibe thanks you. I hope you got something out of this video and you feel rejuvenated and see the benefits and value that this incredible Tibetan vinyasa sequence, yoga vinyasa sequence, has to offer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the gong, leave a comment, especially if you like this video. Yogis unite, and we'll see you here next time on Yoga Vibe.